Here I have iPhone 11 and let me show you how to accomplish here using the secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer and let's use the first secret code. So let me enter the field mode. So let's use *3001. Now let's enter pound. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pound asterisk. Let's use the call button, and this is the field mode. So here you can use some developer stuff, you can read some advanced hidden information. For example, you can check the device info, you can read the SIM files, you can also go back and you can use the LTE information, you can check out GSM and a lot of more useful information. If you would like to go back, let's use this phone button right here. And now let me use the second secret code. So let me check the IMEI information by using the following code *##06# and IMEI information, and also other stuff pops up. You can also here use the barcodes. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.